I mean, that's why people are calling you from other cities, because I think it will give a boost to the culture.
Yes,
Even our generation will come to know. In parties, we have kids. The youngster will also will understand that, yeah, DJ, not going in the pub or
Yes.
going DJs. You'll get the music. You
Yes.
can get with our Veena.
Neha, what is the happiest thing,
What?
Lot of younger generation are into music, learning Veena. Other instruments also, because other musicians also playing light musics, no, like me. So lot of younger generations are learning Veena, and I used to every day I used to plan what next, what next,
next?
what next to attract them, what next to attract them. This is manifest every day, every thinking. Brain is always thinking. That's why my hair also.
No, they are still beautiful.
So seriously, that's why. Apart from that, I used to, I'm posting, I'm playing. What next? I'm getting opportunities like Ambani's. I'm getting more respect. I'm getting felicitated by them. Everything I used to post to attract next
But
generation.
did you manifest about Ambani's, or it came just to your pocket?
Yeah. Seriously. Since 5 years, their coordinators will be there, no, for small
They were
get-togethers,
calling
family
you.
functions. They're calling, but I think maybe it's not very sincere. Like some issues, I don't like. I don't
You want to
compromise.
get a grand entry with your Veena, I
Maybe
think.
God decided, that's
Yes.
why. So at that time also I have said no. I'll some importance should be there. So Neeta Ambani ma'am is so sweet,
She's
because
herself
how
give-
they promised me, can't believe. For 70 members only I have played the high tea time for in-laws like Radhika Merchant's
Yeah, yeah,
family
all
and Ambani sir's
Relative,
sister
close
relatives.
relatives.
Only 70 members. Compare than their members, the staff are more there.
I know.
Okay. How they promised me, they treated like me, and they made my stage.
We know you.
I'm only the person performed solo from the south.
Yes.
Telugu states. Solo performance. Legends played big concerts in front of them, but solo performance, me only. It's a great.
How many songs did you play there?
45 minutes I have played.
45 minutes. There were Hindi songs, or any demand was coming from the audience?
No.
They demanded anything?
Before only I have sent a list to Neeta Ambani
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
She said, that's it.
So they were all Hindi songs?
Yes, multilingual songs. No?
Multilanguage.
Kadal Ta na 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 na. Shape of You song. Radhika's cousin asked me to play one more time. I have played 2 times Shape of You.
That kind of like...
Some Hindi songs, some my compositions of classical. Aigiri Nandini, like kind of, it will be fusion kind. So 45 minutes I have played.
So I think after that, when you came back, it was like a huge publicity. They were all behind you, the South media. I mean, you were getting...
No, not media, not a South media, but unfortunately, I don't know that. Some Telugu people
Everybody,
asked me,
but you made a proud, I must say.
yeah,
like,
but
from him.
outer who are following me, who encouraged me in my social media, they felt very proud. They used to send messages.
I think from South India, you only the one who been honored like this.
Exactly.
And I think you maintain that dignity, honor for your Veena.
Exactly.
You are not only representing yourself. That's the one thing I think they loved about you.
Exactly. That's why slowly I'll get opportunities because I'll maintain the dignity.
True.
So I won't go behind the people for opportunities. Nothing. I won't. If I like you, if I admire you, but I won't directly meet you. The opportunity will come.
That's the thing. I only called her. Really, I was always manifesting. I want to meet her.
I'll pray God. Yeah, God, I have this wish. So make it possible whenever you free.
No, but God is free for you, I think. He's giving you tatas.
My Balaji is very, he will plan very
nicely. He's planning.
nicely.
And now your achievements are growing day by day. If we talk about the world records,
Yes.
it's not ending.
Yes.
One finish, second, third, fourth. What is your target? Tell me.
That's why, Neha, while sleeping also my brain is working, no? It will tell. Next day morning, somebody, it flash. No, this song will be nice. You do like this. You do like this. That's why I have connected to Michael Jackson movie.
Yeah, that's
It's
okay.
very like
You saw Michael Jackson?
yeah, I have
okay.
post also. Have done post also. My childhood, everything related to. I'm not a legend of Michael Jackson. Don't think otherwise. Similar.
You
Some
admire,
similar
you
qualities.
relate to it.
Exactly. So while sleeping also, I'll get no for next. Yesterday I have put that a small Veena's post. Like that. I used to do. I used to play there like that. I have to do that. Always thinking. By thinking, I have.
How many records now done?
One world record I have done with a small Veena, 21 inches Veena.
I know.
In 5 genres, I have played 5 genres: folk, classical, semi-classical, Hindi, like that. 5 genres I have played. I think you were there by the time in Daspalla.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are the witness. Yeah.
We started that, and I told you, oh my God, it's not a small thing what she has done.
Yes.
Now, like a tsunami, she'll go up.
Yes.
Your husband
You are
also
the big
was there.
witness for
Yes.
those. So after that, that also I don't apply for any awards, rewards till date. They will come.
But I think you already created a world record in your life. I must say, the kind of appreciation and what you're doing for our generation to know. Veena, you never thought, Veena Shivani ma'am, you never thought of coming up with academy. Like, we are so privileged in Hyderabad. When it comes Hyderabad, people think of badminton. People think academy. We think of tennis academy. We think of Gopi Chand. Now, when it comes to Veena Shivani Hyderabad, it's you. So I think government or you should collaborate and do some academy.
It's very grand to hear.
But you should have some academy where our generation can come and love the music,
Definitely, I'll start Neha Academy.
And it will help our people also, Veena makers. If you can talk about that.
I'll next I'll talk. So definitely I'll open the academy. First, for in your interview, I'll letting know the people who are wanted to learning. First, there are lots of Vidwans are there, Neha. So their Vidya should not waste. Okay, after their decade, there is nobody to teach.
Yes.
There are lots of Vidwans. So first, let them go your children to them and learn classical music. Basics. Classical music is the foundation. Without classical music, we can't play like this. So first, please, should not waste the legendary Guru's Vidya. So not only me, I'm into one work. God has given one work. You have to way to next generation. I'm into that work. I have some work.
No, but for us, you are the different creator. Like,
I'm
to attract generation.
I'm
trending now. Everybody want to be Gen Z trend.
I'm telling
We have to,
So before that, maybe I have more 4 years time to open the academy, because the academy is very different. Yeah, because if I start the academy, we have to concentrate on that.
That's true.
So should not skip one day like that. I'm very strict teacher.
Yeah, it's education.
Before only I'm telling, I'm very
You're
very
strict to yourself.
High five.
How will you give another person a chance?
Exactly. So before that, they have to go to gurus, and they used to
Get
learn
basic knowledge of classics. Fusion, what you create, I think myself or so many people will agree with me. That's love and that relaxation, the connection which you connect.
Yes.
It's very rare.
Definitely.
Every video get connected. That's why you get your gold button, silver button, diamond buttons. They are increasing day by day. So that's the connection.
Maybe that is also a proud moment,
Yeah.
After 4 years when I started a YouTube channel, I already million subscribers finished. One of my family well-wisher came and, why don't you apply for golden button? Oh, when we apply, it will come. Okay. One of my musician, Akka Lal applied. So he applied. That came. By that time, 1 million. Now I have 1.78 million.
So many. But how you manage a social media team? Like
no
how
team.
you do that?
No team. Me only. I'll only edit. I'll only post. I'll only do everything.
No. You shoot.
Yes.
You
Edit.
delete. Edit.
Edit.
You only post.
Yes. Before that, I only record myself.
You're a digital creator also. Veena Srivani, Veena digital creator. I mean,
So many awards today.
no, you do everything.
I know that because I was worked in media, no, since
Okay.
my 8th standard till 2014. I worked except 3 channels. I worked every Telugu channel, hundreds of episodes.
So it was you're a producer. What was the designation?
No,
that
anchor.
time? Anchor.
Yes.
Anchor to Veena Srivani.
Veena Srivani. That's helped me a lot. So
Oh.
I knew
The
how to
technical.
present, how to edit, how to like talk, everything. It helped me a lot.
So
That's
in
why.
the phone only you do it, or
Yeah,
like
only phone.
it looks so high quality work.
Yes.
I mean,
Now I started my
and
photography.
even the Instagram, Facebook, you just put and it comes like.
Exactly.
I have watched that. So I thought it
I
must be.
only trust content, Neha. So I never,
Yes.
never believe the quality, everything. If you have content, people will always
And the
encourage
right
you.
content.
Exactly. Previous starting videos, if you see, background, a door, half door will be there, like a normal background. My daughter used to take when she was very, very small. Mamu, please, I used to keep one chair and pillow. Mamu, please, like this. Like she constantly, she used to like that. I used to play. That's it. I used to play, I used to post. It goes viral like that. So content, if you have content, if you have real hard work, commitment, God will with you.
One, I want to compliment you again. People always run for, wrong informations, bad thumbnails. Now it happened. But in your case, you're putting what it is.
Yes.
So that proves that content is important.
I
right?
always tell to my friends who are working in media also, Ray, don't do like this. Temporary. So if you maintain a decency, dignity, it will take time.
Yeah.
But you will be
Grow long
constantly
time.
grow long time, and you have the dignity.
And trust and connection you maintain.
Exactly. Like you, whenever you ask, I immediately say okay, because I have seen your interviews, very dignified, very nonsense. There is no nonsense at all. There are that are thumbnails. That's why immediately I have said okay to you, because I want that kind of journalist knew that what has to take a interview from other person, like that. It should
And it
be.
will inspire to all the people who wanted to be in your field. They want to
Seriously,
carry
maybe
on.
I'm not kind of a big person, but I'm a person.
But what
to
you're
take.
carrying, it's a very big responsibility.
Exactly. Till my last breath, I'll continue this responsibility because the next generation should in our Veena should. Oh, Veena.
Yeah.
Till now also, it became like that, you
Yes.
know. The photo shoots,
Yes.
bridegrooms, everything with Veena. Yeah, my daughter is playing Veena, proudly saying.
Yes, yes.
So I want that. I reached half, Neha, because of me or something. I know I don't want to say, but a lot of Vidwans are there. But my contribution is there. Is this much or this much, this much.
Oh,
My contribution is there.
People, a tree has more fruits, na? It will be like this only. So you are giving that example.
Maybe some people will often know, that's why. So, but I have to share with today. I wanted to share my pain with you, because 13 years is not at all a small
No.
journey, Neha. Without any entertainment, I'm also in age, no. So without any entertainment, without anything, always thinking